This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Check the watch battery and plug it in if under 50%. That prevents interruptions. Next, get Garmin Connect Mobile on your phone or Garmin Express on a computer. This is how updates arrive. Once installed, open the app and pair or connect the watch via Bluetooth or USB, following on-screen prompts. Make sure your phone has Wi-Fi or the computer has internet. Updates need a stable connection. Now, trigger the device sync so the system can check for available firmware. Once the app finds firmware, tap to download and then to install. You should use Wi-Fi for larger files to save cellular data and keep your phone or computer within a few feet of the watch so Bluetooth stays strong. During the transfer, avoid using other Bluetooth devices that might interfere. The watch will reboot and show installation progress. That's normal. Make sure you do not force close the app or unplug the USB cable while the watch updates. Interruptions can cause incomplete installs. After installation completes and the watch reboots, check the firmware version under Settings System about to confirm success. Then sync your data again and test core features like GPS, heart rate, and notifications to ensure everything works. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and the phone or computer, then try the update again. If issues persist, reinstall Garmin Connect or switch to Garmin Express on a computer. This resolves most transfer or corruption problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.